Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Basically, in this time I'm going to show you guys how to design an OTP selling website. So basically, you can start up a business and sell one time password for verification by just selling the number and use it for verification. Basically, WhatsApp and also you can see how the website looks like. So these are the website going to look like. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to this stuff. You just watch the video from start to end and you to get how I do this. So basically, I'm going to show you how the website looks like. So I already have an account already, so there's no creating an account again. So I'm just going to log into my account so you see how my account looks like. So it's login successful. So this is my account. I have 1,342.17 in naira. Basically, you can also change this in dollar and any currency you feel like changing this. So basically, you can just go to if you want to find your account, you can click here, find your account. You have paste flutter we've already installed here, integrated here already. So we can also get numbers. So these are number history. We don't have any number history. We go to dashboard and we go to buy number basically, or you click on buy number. So for me, select server, United Kingdom, and when you say it's a server, it shows you the number of numbers available for that particular server. So I have WhatsApp, Facebook, or Telegram, Instagram, so on and so forth. So we can go on and pick United States also. So when picking United States, we have a lot of server also available. We can just decide to purchase if we want to buy, and and just click on the service and you click buy. Then once you buy, your money is going to be deducted from your account, and if it's available, it's going to display right now. So basically, this website is simple to design. I'm going to show you guys how to design this from start to finish, and how you're going to see, so you can see and wait for SMS. So basically, if I copy this number and use number, I'm going to get SMS here. I'm going to get my SMS here and copy my SMS from there. I'm going to use it to whatever I want to do. So basically, if you want to know how to get this in place, set up, basically just watch the video from start to finish. So don't bother about the source code and the rest. You can give me a coffee and I'm going to give you source code. So basically, let's continue for more stuff. So in order for us to design this website, there are things we need to put in place. First, you need a hosting, a domain name in order for you to get this set up. So I believe you know how to get the domain and hosting already. If you know how to do that, then you're good to go. But if you don't know how to do that, the next thing for you to do is for you to just go to YouTube, search on how to get hosting of domain name, or basically you can just search, check my YouTube channel, my previous video, or one of some of my videos. You're going to see how to get domain and hosting. You can get from any domain or hosting provider. We have Who we have Two Hosts, we have GoDaddy, we have etc. So basically we have a lot of them basically. So let's just focus on this tutorial for today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to channel for more. So let's continue. The next for us to do now is for us just go to our cPanel. So already I have cPanel, I have the particular hosting server which is called Cupid Webs. You can also go there and get yours also. That's why I got my form. So I'm just going to log into my cPanel from my Cupid account. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm doing right now. So hold on a sec for me to just do that. So click on our robot. I'm going to click login. Boom, I'm in. So next for me to do that, for me just going to my cPanel, right? My control panel, or cPanel to be precise. So we are in already, right? So I'm going to go to my file manager and I'm going to upload that file, a particular source code. Yeah. So I'm going to click on this. And if I go back to my sim folder, okay, this is my sim folder, right? So I'm going to upload the source code here, right? So who am I going this? So this is source code, the best code we just saw now, right? Just using the in. So basically, we're going to upload the file right now. So click on upload. So once you click on upload, you click on select. Everything goes now to this. So you can click on our PC, select our other drive, and select, yeah. So this is the file. You upload this file. I already uploaded my already, so there's no point uploading any longer. And you see sort of that's the database. So you can, so once you're done uploading it, it's going to load, show green, then you count. So once you don't count, you just click on go back. Once you're done with that, the file is going to show here, and you're going to extract the file. How you extract file is you right click on it and you extract the file. That's how you extract the file. Once you're done doing extracting file, boom, you're almost done everything. Almost everything is set. So the next thing for us to do now, we just have some few things to just do. So you go here, click on file manager, then you click on I believe you click on database. Let me not believe, because I think some persons do not do it. So click on database. You just click, let me just call this sub. I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. That's why I'm calling everything sub. Oh, I think Sue would be more better because I'm a Ronaldo fan. So I'm going to click on sue. So I'm going to just copy this. I don't want to make mistake as I'm copying it. Then I like paste. Then I'll copy all of this, right? Same thing. I like paste. I like, okay, paste, just paste. Then I'm going to create this database. Now boom, I'm done creating database. I'm just going to allow all privileges. Then I click on make changes. I'm not making changes, so the next for me to do now is for me to just click on control panel again. So once I click on control panel, I'm going to go to my PHP my admin. If you know what, that's where you upload your database basically. Click on PHP my admin, then it's going to load for some seconds. Then click here. I have a lot of database to precise, so I'm just going to look for the sue database. Then I'm going to import my file. Remember I talked something about, I said something about that file initially, right? So that's the file I'm going to import. So I'm go back here to the same place, or this is the file. Then I'm going to click on this. Then I'm going to click on import. Now once we're done importing this file, now we're just going to connect this file to our database to our code. So how would you go into that? Just copy this. That's your database name. That's what we use our username as our password. So that's why I'm copying it. You may use something else, something different from mine. So that's if you want to. So basically, once you're done with that, next thing, see this include file. There's an include file. Click on include file. Then see this connect config of PHP. I click on it and edit. Now once you get here, you're going to see where you connect your database. There you can see you paste, you paste, you paste. So that's all you just need to do. Then you save the file. You save changes. Once you're done saving changes, boom. Now it's kind of very easy. You see this is your security key for hold on a sec, let me show you something. So but basically that's what you don't need to do. Once you're done doing that, you don't connect everything you need to do. So every other thing you need to do is for you to just connect your Firebase account if you want to connect Firebase account, and that particular security key you see there, it is for your API, which is the particular API you want to use. For instance, we have different kind of API. We have the fast, we have SMS man, we have Tiger man, we have Tiger SMS. We have different APIs to precise. You can use any of them. Register, create an account, get your API key, and connect it there. Also, you can also go to the research folder and also connect your um so basically you can also go to your to your also. So guys, basically we're here. So next we um so next was to do now is for us to either we can just log into the admin to check how things looks like. Can log into the admin, but first you can see your secret API key. You can change it and put it replace yours here. So let's log into the admin. So same, okay. You go, we log in normally, so you can see how the website looks like, right? So look at the website, same thing. We're going to just go click on login. We have our email and password here, right? Just save them, login. So login successful. We're in. So this is the dashboard. You can see the current balance, total recharge, blah 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 blah. So everything is in place. So now for us to log in admin, I'm just going to come here and paste this. Let's random. So I'm going to get to the admin. So this is admin dashboard, right? Remember how you log in there? I just paste this, start logging, and as you use admin, I paste this. Now I'm in as admin, right? So basically we have this, right? So we can click on to show all users right? All users you have on your account. This is your dashboard to show what's going on, total recharge, blah blah blah, total etc. You can take a look at everything. Yeah. So the next thing we have, you can block some users if you want to block some users. List of admin, you can make other people admin aside from only you. Sales history, you can check your sales history. I don't have any. Find the user, you can search here and find, look for the user and click on find just by using the URL. See view user, so you can see the user. Show service, it's going to show you the list of service countries are available. You can add service, which is here to add the service by service price and service name ID. Yeah, now how you going to get that? You can get that basically from your your API. Basically you can use fast SMS. We have SMS man, we have Tiger SMS and yours. Show server, this is a list of server just like countries. You can add them also, can edit and so on and so forth. So add APIs. So this way you add your APIs, the name, the API URL and the API key. That's how you add your API into SMS man and the rest, Tiger SMS, fast SMS and the rest. So basically that's that about that. So we have show API. So this way show API. Currently I only have one API added to my currently. So you can see it there. So this API transaction not for Nigerians, it's for people in Indian. So crypto transaction, crypto you can also implement crypto there if you want to, but there's none here currently. So we have other things like a referral transaction, we have a number waiting, we have a promo code, you can add promo code, we have today number history, customer price, set custom price. You can also set custom price if you want to, and just add custom price and you select the server in which you want to add custom price to be, and blah blah blah, enter your email and custom values, blah blah, and click on save. So you can see that a lot of stuff you can do here, etc. So you can start up your own OTP business by designing this website. It's easy to get. If you need a script or you want to do something like this, you can hit me up from the description link below, or you're going to see my number on the screen. You can chat me on WhatsApp. Available. So feel free to, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel also for more videos to see things like this. And also if you need this, you can come to my DM, you get it. But basically if you, it's not for free basically, but you want to get it for free, you just have to do some tax. That's the only thing. But aside that, you can also hit me if you want to design something like this out of business, anywhere you are outside, anywhere at all, I can help you with that. So thanks for watching this down one more time. Stay tuned, may bless, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe this channel for more videos. Can I continue to do more of this? Thank you, and may bless. And also you can also take a description link. You're going to see my other channel. You can watch and learn how things are being done related to hacking, particularly related to pure hacking, not anything related to design. You can just check it in the description link below. And also if you have any issue at all, you can feel free write a comment about this video. Thank you.